Hello friends, welcome to this video on header function in PHP. The header in PHP is a built-in function for sending raw HTTP headers. These are simple strings in the form key value and are terminated by a new line character. Header function must be called before any other output, including any whitespace character outside of PHP tag. The syntax for the header function is that we have a header function. Inside the header function we can pass three parameters. The first is the header, then a replace, and then http underscore response code. Header parameter inside the function is required parameter and it specifies the header string to send. The second parameter is replace. This is an optional parameter and this indicates that whether the header should replace a previous similar header or should add a new header of same type. Default value is true. Let us discuss some common uses of header function in PHP. So we use header function in PHP to redirect users from one page to another. Over here you can see that we have a header function. Inside header function, inside double quotes, we are passing a parameter location, colon, and after colon and a space we can add any page name where we want to redirect the user. After using header method, we should use the exit method as well. Open your favorite text editor like Visual Studio Code, create a folder php-header inside www folder of WAM. Open this folder inside Visual Studio Code and create a file index.php. Create another file called profile.php. Inside index.php, we'll add a form with a button. Once user clicks that button, user will be redirected to profile. First, I'll create a form with a button. Inside PHP, first we'll check that user has clicked this button and then redirect the user to profile.php page using header method. Open profile.php and over here we'll just add a message to the user. Open the browser and type localhost/php-header. So once user clicks this button, the header function will redirect to the profile page. And you can see that profile page is displayed. The next important use of header function is compression. So HTTP supports the transparent compression and decompression of data in transit during a transaction using gzip algorithm. Another important use of header function is caching. By default, most browsers will attempt to cache as much of the content they download as possible. We can also use header method to download or save a file. So this brings us to the end of this lesson. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.